An election law. A group of internet users have come to the defense of Senate Majority Leader Tito Sotto in connection with a plagiarism complaint filed against the salon. They told the Senate Ethics Committee to set aside the complaint, saying it is just a waste of time and resources. Bianca Piedad tells us more.
Coming to the defense of embattled Senate Majority Leader Vicente Sotto III, noted election lawyer Romulo Macalintal sends a letter of concern to the Senate regarding claims the senator copied others' ideas for his turno and contra speech during debates on the Reproductive Health or RH bill. Attorney Macalintal stresses that there are more pressing matters that the upper chamber need to deal with right away rather than take up this issue.
Alam naman natin wala itong basis. Alam naman natin na yung mga speeches ng mga senador o ng mga kongresista sa ating legislature ay these are privileged communications na hindi mo po pwedeng matanong o hindi mo po pwedeng imbestigahan.
The Paul lawyer adds that the issue was just blown out of proportion because of the public outburst.
Sa akin namang palagay, wala namang masasabing plagiarize si Senator Sotto sapagkat he is not claiming ownership of the statements that he made. As a matter of fact, sinabi naman niya na yung source, the main source noong kino-question nila ay kanya namang ipinaliwanag.
Macalintal also rejects insinuations that it was their common anti-RH bill advocacy that prompted him to shield Sotto from the attacks. Meanwhile, the Cyber Rise or Responsible Internet Users for Social Empowerment group says that it would be a waste of public resources to conduct another hearing on the same issue.
Bigyan natin pansin yung mas mahalagang mga issue. Maraming walang trabaho ngayon Diba? Maraming nagugutom. Doon tayo magtuon ng ating pansin. Doon natin ubusin ang ating resources.
Senate Committee on Ethics and Privileges Chair Senator Alan Peter Cayetano meanwhile conveys his plan on the issue.
Anyone can file anything at pwede naman tignan ng mga miyembro to, no? But as I said, we have to finalize the rules at yung rules hindi pwedeng i-tailor para sa kahit anong kaso o para sa kahit anong senador lang. Dapat ito fair sa lahat. So as I said, ibabalanse natin na hindi naman pwede mag-away-away ang mga senador dahil napakahalaga ng mga tinitake up natin.
It would be recalled that a number of teachers and writers filed a complaint against Senator Sotto, alleging that the latter committed 9 instances of plagiarism in his arguments during the RH bill debates between August and September, a thing outrightly denied and explained by Sotto, particularly an accusation he used parts of American Senator Robert Kennedy's Day of Affirmation address, which was translated in Filipino but without proper attribution. For People's Television, Bianca Piedad.